are making coconut water kefir. To make coconut water kefir, you will need 100% green coconut water. That means that the listed ingredients should be 100% coconut water, nothing else. You'll also need kefir crystals. A quarter cup per litre of coconut water would work fine. Add the coconut water to the kefir crystals in the jar. So it's very simple. All you need is coconut water, kefir crystals, your jar and your cover. Close the jar with a paper towel or cloth and secure it with a rubber band. You can also use a solid lid if you want to. Let it ferment on the countertop for 12 hours or until it looks and smells right. How do you know? You will see that the grains will become more active and they will start moving everywhere like that. Dropping and rising and falling, and there will be bubbles visible. You might even see foam. So this looks right. Let's taste it. Get a glass and a straw ready and open the jar. Dip the straw into the jar. Close the straw with your finger at the back and move it to the glass. Release your finger from the opening and there you'll see the liquid flow into the glass below. Taste your coconut kefir. It should be slightly fizzy and have a slight tanginess to it. That's how you know your coconut kefir is ready. So the kefir is ready. So let's drink and bottle the kefir. I've sliced up some lemon for the bottling. Here I'm putting the funnel over the bottle and pouring the kefir through the sieve. That's quite enough now, and I'm going to add some lemon that I've cubed earlier. And then you let your coconut kefir second ferment for a period of a day or two. It's also very refreshing straight out of the jar. Now, using your kefir grains for making coconut kefir is a little bit stressful on the grains, so I wouldn't suggest making kefir continuously only with coconut water. Replenish them, be kind to them by giving them proper sugars.